Welcome back to Be Awesome Outdoors. I'm Travis. James is joining me today. Sarah, Joel, and Isaac will be joining us a little bit later. Right now we're just sitting over the crappie hole, hoping they turn on. I do have one already turned on right away before we got the camera set up. And we got some tip-ups out for pike. So hopefully that's a little added action for us today. Stick around, we'll tell you what we're doing, and hopefully we're bringing you some more fish. Here comes company. Just in time to catch some fish.
Did Isaac fall asleep again? You see? Oh, he's not sleeping. Peekaboo.
Hi, Isaac.
What do you think, Isaac? What is it? A fish. Very good.
There's a fish down here, Joel. Hooked up, Joel. I got him. Look at that. Another crappie. Big enough. Sloppy mess today. Decided to come out here, do some hole hopping, trying to find some walleyes. I came up a little shallower, looking for some rock. Did some scouting this summer and marked some rock humps out here, but not finding any yet. And keep moving. Nice! Turns out I was not in the walleye spot. Sarah is in the walleye spot.
It wasn't. I thought I saw something down there, so I put it down, and then I just perfect eater.
It's starting to rain on my face and in my nose and my ear. Last spot I'm gonna try. Then we're going back to the fish house because it's starting to rain on us. I hate ice fishing in the rain.
Yeah, me too.
One time I was ice fishing in the rain and it started to thunder and lightning.
And you go back?
We probably should have went back. We jumped in the fish house.
I like it going on my nose.
You like the rain on your nose?
Yeah.
I don't like getting wet when I fish, when I ice fish. I got a nice one. I'll bring it over when I get it in, buddy. Oh, nice big walleye. Wow. That beautiful walleye. Wow. Bring it inside the fish house real quick. Show Joel. Turn on the other camera, get a better shot of that beast. That's a nice one. Joel, look at that. This is a nice walleye. Here it is. This is the walleye we caught outside. Brought it in. That is a beauty, Joel. Take a quick measurement of him. Well, he's only 20. Maybe we'll keep him. Yeah, we can keep him. I thought he was a little bit bigger. We'll keep him. Yeah, let it all the way out. You need to catch one today, Joel. He's definitely got to be looking at yours. He's not looking at mine.
How can you swim backwards?
He's swimming around. We just hooked him right through the top so he can still swim. Yeah.
No.
I bet you he's scared because there's a fish down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully the fish eats him and you catch him.
Yeah. Then I got ran up. Maybe I gonna get the big one.
I hope you catch a really big one.
Yeah, but maybe I can do this.
Well, leave it like this so they can pull it down. They need some slack so they can eat it without feeling you pulling on it.
Okay. Yeah, I feel one. I can do this.
Yeah, but not yet though. Well, buddy, it's raining and nasty and ishy out there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sarah, Isaac, and James, they took off. It's raining pretty good out there. So me and Joel just decided we'd stay out a little bit longer. When I go to take off here, I'm just going to pull him with the house set up so he stays dry. It's kind of annoying fishing in the rain when you're ice fishing, but you know what? We're fishing. Right, bud? You're looking tired. Let's stick it out for just a few more minutes. Hopefully we bring you a few more fish, but if not, get outdoors, you guys. Be awesome, be safe, have fun, and thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What are you doing? You look like a turtle. Am I not turtle enough for the turtle club? You in the turtle club? No. Turtle. Where's the fish?
I don't know. Maybe in them home.
In their home. Their home's the water. Where are they? They should be down there.